Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pin a sticker on Instagram story. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application, and then in this home page you need to swipe to the right your screen. After that you will see this interface. You need to record something or click on the image button at the bottom left corner and then add any photo from your gallery. After that, after you recorded something, in this interface at the top of your screen you need to find a sticker button and then click on that. After that, in this interface you need to choose any sticker you want. You can click on the search bar and type something, but I will add, for example, this one sticker. After that you can remove it as you want. You can resize it like this, and after that all you need to do is to click on the white button at the bottom right corner and then post your story. And that's all. That's how to pin a sticker on Instagram story. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.